everyone. So a few of you have been asking me about my final decision or outcome on these Ohora nails and what was my final verdict. Well, I actually like them. So I ended up getting 6 more boxes of Ohora nails, and they are absolutely stunning. And I think the first couple times when I posted about them, I was just still learning how to work with the nails. But the more that I used, I'm sorry, not the nails, the nail polish, the more I learned to use it, the more practice I got, the better I got at it. And now I fully, truly love these things. And so let's take a peek at what we have. We have this first one. It's just a, I don't see if they are, oh yeah, True Gold. Whoops, True Gold. And these are stunning. I'm going to open them up and show them to you. So here they are, and the freaking shimmer on these, look at that. I know you can see it as I move these things around. There are a million colors inside this shimmer. So it's just not like gold glitter. It really is full color shimmer and glitter in there. And again, this one was the, what was it? I don't know, I never remember anything. True Gold. These were, I believe, $12. Then I'm going to go through the rest of these, and then I'll show them open in a minute because they're so much prettier on the inside than they even show on the package. The package does not do them justice. This next one that I have is called En Polaris, and it's sort of like a shimmer with blue. Then these here, I really loved when I opened them up. And here's the name of this one. And again, it is super beautiful on the inside, so I can't wait to show you. This is one that I got the last time, and I loved it so much that I reordered. I'm sorry, I believe these right here, these other two were $14. This one was also $14, and this one, where's the name? Oh, Brown Sugar. And I wore it, and a couple of you have seen them in my videos and told me that my nails look really nice. Right now my nails don't look nice because I broke them all off doing some packaging for some art classes that we're having. And once I break one, I just cut them all off because I don't want to have one long nail, one short nail and the rest long. I think that's crazy looking. So I just always just cut them off. They grow back. This one here is sort of like an ombre type deal. It's called Gradient. And again, much prettier outside of the box. And then this is another one that is super pretty. The ones that you see that sort of look like see-through gel, that's basically what they are. So that light brown one there, the little dots, that's going to be like a see-through nail polish strip. All right, I'll be back once I open these all up. All right, so here they are open. And you've already seen this one here, which is the super colorful shimmery polish. But here's the blue one. And as you can see, again, with the super sparkly but yet colorful shimmer. And what I like about these polish strips, oops, I'm making a mess, is that they don't just give you enough for one hand. So they give you enough for 2 in each. So if they last about, they lasted me about, let's say 10 days. So then you have enough for nail polish for 20 days. So that's excellent at $14. I actually think that that's a great bargain. There's no chipping. They might lift up on the corner if you don't put them on properly. But usually they're just amazing. And once I've learned exactly how to really fully, tightly apply them to my nails, they don't come up anymore. And I usually can get 10 days use out of it. All right, and also do not get your hands wet for like 3 hours after you do them. You just want to make sure it adheres very well. All right, so we saw this gold one, and again, there's another layer underneath of the exact same polish. However, in these, there's another layer of polish, but it's the mix and match pieces. So you still get to mix and match for the full 2 applications. But let's take a look at what that means. So for this one here, if I can get it out, you see what I said, there's some sort of like transparent, super nice. But then the second layer has the other colors that you can mix and match with. So you can either go with keeping, you know, this one for 1 week, that week for another week, or mixing and matching, which is what I usually do. And I still am able to mix and match twice. Oh, and it also comes, by the way, each packet comes with some prep pads, which are like alcohol pads, and then like a orange stick that, you know, to push back your cuticles and things of that nature, and a little file. I don't know what happened to the one in that pack, but that's what usually comes with. All right, so this next one here, you can see that some of them are completely clear. I might put these on today since my nails are very short. And I think if I get longer, I don't know. Anyway, I might put these on. I don't know what I was just about to say. So anyway, so we have that layer there. And then this is the alternating layer. So mix and match, or wear all the same, or whatever, but enough for 2 weeks. And you want to keep this this little, I actually don't see my little orange stick or file that I normally get with these. This little piece of aluminum looking cardboard there in between them, it helps to protect the colors and things. And you always want to make sure you store them in a dark place and keep them covered. They come in a nice little box there. You just cover it right back up. So let me go ahead and cover these up since I am in the sun right now, because this is the first nice day we've had in a while. All right, so then we have these last two in here, and I'm really trying to figure out why I don't have the orange stick and such. That was, maybe they changed their process and you don't get that anymore. Oh, maybe, nope, that's not true. It is here. It's actually down here. It's probably down here on all the packages, and I just didn't see it because it's really bright out here and it's black, and I probably just didn't see that it's black. So this is the little packet inside that has the orange stick to push back your cuticles and a little nail file. All right, so here's that gradient one. We have the first, which were all gradient, and then the second where you can alternate with some more opaque colors. So again, the 2 weeks worth. And let me go ahead and put that silver layer back between there. Of course, I decided to come out here because this is the first nice day we've had in a while. Definitely, it's 80 degrees today, and that hasn't happened. This is the first time this year has happened. But now it's super windy, so you probably can hear all the wind. And then this is the one that I bought twice. There goes my orange stick and my prep pads. And then these are the 2 layers for this one. We have these that are sort of like gel-y, and they almost look see-through when they're on the nails, but they're really not. I think it's just because some of the colors like match my skin tone, that the first time I put them on, I'm like, wait a minute, can I actually see my skin? But as you can see when I rub my finger behind it, there is some sheerness to the color on this one. And then of course the alternating layer, so you can either use these or mixing. As I said, I like to mix. All right, so that was it for the items that I got from Ohora this time. I got 6 sets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sets, and that's going to last me quite a while, obviously, if I can get 2 uses out of each box. And again, we had the tartan, we have the gold, we had the brown terrazzo, we had the, is this called gradient? Yeah, gradient, the brown sugar, and the Polaris. So that's it for my little haul. The thing that I will say is that shipping is like $14 because they ship it only via DHL from out of the country. That said, if you buy $80 worth, you get free shipping, which is it's like getting another set of nails for free. So I just always automatically get the $80 worth because I'm going to get free shipping. I'm not going to spend $60 and then pay $14 for shipping when I could just buy another set and then get free shipping. All right, So that's it for Ohora again this time, the second go round, and I'll let you know if any of these do not meet my expectations, but I assume they will. I love these things. All right, I'll talk to you guys on the next one.